In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Tango extension onto your Chrome browser. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Chrome browser on your device. And once you open it up, you will find the Chrome Web Store option right at the home page. Just tap on this menu and this will take you into the Chrome Web Store page. Now, once you're inside, just tap on the search box at the top right corner and then type in Tango and start your search. Once you find the Tango extension, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the Add to Chrome button. Tap on this button and then tap on Add Extension. And now, this will install the Chrome extension for the Tango app right away. Just proceed with logging into your account now, and after logging in, you can click on the Extensions tab at the top right corner and then pin the Tango app by tapping on the pin option. After you do this, you will be able to use the Tango app by just clicking on the toolbar at the top right corner. In case you don't find the extension, just type in tango.me in the address bar and press enter. Once you are inside the Tango application, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then hover over to save and share. You can then choose Create Shortcut and then rename your shortcut whatever you wish. Make sure to select Open as Window and tap on the Create button. And now a shortcut with the Tango app will be created on your desktop right away. And you can simply double click on this to start using your Tango account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the Tango extension on your Google Chrome browser. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.